my dear students, I hope that you all are fine. Let's start our lesson today, but first, for those who don't know us, I am Mrs. Maryham. Please don't forget to like our Facebook page, like this video, subscribe for our channel, and activate the bell. Let's start. By the end of this lesson, you will know what is excretion, types of wastes, what are the excretory materials, and how can the body get rid of these wastes. First, what is excretion, or what is meant by excretion process? When we eat food, some food is digested, then blood carries the digested food and oxygen to all body cells. Then, body cells burn the digested food with oxygen to produce energy and release some wastes to blood to be expelled out of the body. So, again, as we said before in the circulatory system that blood carries the digested food and oxygen to all body cells. Then, cells burn the digested food with oxygen to produce energy and release some waste. So, we can conclude that part as digested food plus oxygen are burned inside the cells to produce energy and some waste. These wastes are known as excretory materials. The materials are the waste that produced inside the cells. Okay, now we are going to know that there are two types of wastes, which are solid wastes and excretory materials. Solid wastes are the indigested food stored in the large intestine, then they pass outside. While excretory materials, they are cell waste, contain harmless and poisonous materials, must be expelled out. So again, the solid wastes are indigested food stored in the large intestine, while excretory materials, they are the cell waste that contain harmless and poisonous materials. Okay, excretory materials are divided into three materials or three wastes: carbon dioxide and water vapor, excess salt and excess water, nitrogenous waste, which are urea and uric acid. Again, repeat after me: carbon dioxide and water vapor, excess salt and excess water, nitrogenous waste, which are urea and uric acid. First, we were going to know how these wastes are produced and how can the body get rid of these wastes. Carbon dioxide and water vapor, they are produced after burning the digested food with oxygen, and the body gets rid of them by the two lungs through exhalation process. Second wastes, excess salt and excess water. By the way, excess means extra salt and extra water. The salts dissolve in water, then expelled out of the body. The body gets rid of these wastes by two ways. First, by the skin. Our skin has a special glands called sweat glands that secrete sweats. Second way is by the urinary system in the form of urine. So again, excess salt and excess water are expelled outside the body by two ways, which are by the skin in the form of sweats, and the second is by the urinary system in the form of urine. The last wastes, nitrogenous waste, which are urea and uric acid. They are produced from breaking down of proteins. Yes, proteins. So, some people may say that we don't have to eat proteins. But sorry, this is not healthy. Proteins are so important for your body to grow and repairing the damaged tissues. So again, proteins are so important for your growth and repairing the damaged tissues. Okay, nitrogenous wastes are expelled outside the body by the urinary system, especially the two kidneys, and this is the photo of them. So, again, repeat after me. Carbon dioxide and water vapor are expelled outside the body by the two lungs. Excess salt and excess water are expelled outside the body through the skin in the form of sweat and urinary system in the form of urine. The last one, nitrogenous wastes, are removed by the two kidneys in the urinary system. Okay, some important notes. First, sweat glands are special types of glands inside the skin that produce sweat. Second, secreting sweat increases in summer due to high temperature, so the urination process decreases. Again, this one is so important. Sweat increases in summer, so the opposite of it is the urination process, which decreases. Okay, let's solve some questions. Complete the following. Number 1. One of the processes that takes place inside your body to get rid of harmful materials. Yes, it's urination process. Number 2. The types of waste are, yes, solid waste and excretory materials. Okay, number 3. The excretory materials are, yes, carbon dioxide and water vapor, excess salt and excess water, and nitrogenous waste. Number 4. Secreting sweat space in summer, so the space decreases. Super. Secreting sweat increases in summer, so the urination process decreases. Okay, next. Put right or wrong and then correct the wrong one. Number 1. Harmless materials are excretory materials that the body gets rid of them. Yes, it's true. Number 2. Proteins are necessary for repairing the damaged tissues. It's also true. Number 3. Nitrogenous wastes are removed by the two lungs. Yes, this one is false. And instead of the two lungs, we should write, yes, urinary system. Okay, give a reason for secreting sweat increases in summer. Super! Due to high temperature. Okay, number 2. Excretory materials must be expelled outside the body. Yes, as they contain harmless and poisonous materials that must be expelled outside. We have finished this part. Thank you for watching. Please like our Facebook page, subscribe for our channel, and activate the bell